Today we are making classic Rosemary Focaccia using a long fermented sponge for extra flavor. Let's get started. Let's start with 225 grams of flour, 2 grams of yeast, 175 milliliters of water. Mix until it becomes a rough dough. Cover it and place in the fridge for a day or place it in a room temperature for 4 hours. This slow fermentation gives your focaccia a rich, deep flavor. Let the sponge sit at room temperature for about an hour before using it. Prepare 575 grams of flour, 15 grams of salt, 2 grams of yeast, 30 milliliters of olive oil, 400 milliliters of water. Now add in the sponge. Mix until everything becomes a sticky dough. Now brush your baking pan with olive oil. You can skip this method if you are using a baking paper. If you do, brush the sides with olive oil so it makes it easier to take it out. Once it's done, set it aside. Now drizzle some olive oil on your workspace. It'll be a bit sticky at first, so use a dough scraper to help you gather and fold it. Once it comes together a bit more, begin slamming the dough against the workspace, lift up and fold it over and slap it down. Now transfer the dough onto the baking pan. To shape the dough, you can use a rolling pin or simply stretch it with your hands. Gently work it into a rectangle that fits the baking pan. Cover again and leave it to rise for 2 hours or double in size. Now brush the top of the dough with olive oil. Make sure the surface is well coated. This helps the crust turn golden and adds a signature focaccia taste. Now use your fingertips to press deep dimples evenly across the surface. Sprinkle coarse salt all over the dough. Now sprinkle rosemary across the dough. Now bake at 200 Celsius for 30 minutes or until golden brown. Let it cool on a cooling rack before serving. Enjoy!